Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. My name is Patrick Merle, professional computer technician. Many people deal with having to fix their own computers. In fact, about 5% of all men over the age of 40 have computer problems that they need to repair themselves.
Wait, isn't that erectile dysfunction?
Actually, just about everybody has computer problems, so today I'm going to show you how to fix your own problems by using my tried and true method: diagnosing the problem, getting a screwdriver, and taking out the battery. So the first thing we're going to want to do is diagnose the problem, and the best way to do that is to first try and turn on the computer. See if it can turn on. The problem seems to be that the computer doesn't want to turn on. That is a problem. So let's go and grab a screwdriver and see if we can fix this thing.
Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor.
So I don't have a screwdriver, but you probably would have a friend that does have one if you don't have one. So I'm just gonna ask my roommate real quick. He's a great guy. I just need a screwdriver real quick. Just trying to do a repair.
I told you to stop doing these videos!
So we didn't get the screwdriver, guys. That's alright, though, because not every computer is repairable. Sometimes some computers are a lost cause. So what we're going to do is we're going to take out the battery, which is step 3, which I've already done, as you can see. And we're just going to throw this bad boy in the dumpster. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is step 3B, which is make sure you recycle your battery, because a lot of people just throw their batteries in the trash, and that's actually bad for planet Mama Earth. So what you're going to want to do is make sure you get your battery to an authorized recycler for batteries. So we're going to go do that real quick, and we'll be back. Did you cut? Yeah, we're good.
Okay.
No worries.
And finally, step 3C is going to be to just buy a new laptop. And it's okay that you can't repair your own laptop, because isn't man the most extraordinary computer of all, according to JFK?
Is that my laptop?
This is the end.